Good evening all. I've been working on this machine all day. This is the Brenell Freestar. It's a reel-to-reel tape recorder. Obviously I've got to work on the deck next, but the amplifier's been totally rebuilt. All new components except for the smoothing cap, but that seems to be alright. It's fine, it's not getting hot or anything. I just had it on a while ago, just for a little while. But watch, it's plugged into the mains. But it's plugged into an isolation transformer, so it should be okay. So it isolates me from earth. The amplifier's working beautiful. Just trying it with a microphone. This one I do sing with normally. And it's fine. Blasts out, it's really good, excellent. But because the amp is not connected to the tape deck, there's the inputs to the tape deck. I'm not really sure if I should really operate it without the tape deck, because the power supply section, that thing there, gives off a certain amount of current to power both the amplifier and the deck. And if it's powering giving too much power, because the as I say, the deck is not in place, the motor's not connected. That's where it connects to over there, that black thing there. So I don't know whether I should leave it on very long, but I'll turn it on just for a little while, just to show you it's all working and the amplifier's all done. All lovely new components. So there we go. Yeah, it had all these waxy ones, look at that. Yeah, dripping wax everywhere. My God, I'm surprised it even worked at all, because the people I bought it off, they powered it up, and I said, well, do you mind if you don't, really? Because you're not supposed to power things on when they're over 60 years old with dodgy components like that. These are all the waxy ones. I'm not going to touch it. It's all, yeah, dripping of wax, these things. But anyway, I put all modern components in there. See these little red things there? They're the new capacitors. Got one little tiny one in the front from one of those little kits. You can get these kits with a set of we call it capacitors in it. I don't even see that. One little small one. Where is it? There we are, hiding behind there, little black thing. And plus all the other ones, all been done. So there we go. Funny, I'll tell you what, it's so sensitive, this machine, the amp. I'm actually receiving a radio station when I plug in the jack. You're not gonna believe this, but I'll show you. Right, let's power on. Is it off? On? Right, it's on. There we go. I like the rudimentary indicator there. There's just a bulb behind these two little plastic strips, and depending on where you've got it, whether it's on playback, there we go, whether you've got it on playback or record, so literally when you flick the switch over to record, it puts the little red indicator in front of the bulb. So that's playback at the moment. Then switch this over, click, that's record. Look at that, and the amp is great. There's a lot of humming at the moment because it's not connected to a deck. See when I touch it? So it's very sensitive. But if I put it on amp, let me put it on, tell you what, let's push the plug in. Let's put it on amp. Look, radio station. Can you believe that? Sounds like Radio 5 Live. That's a very strong station. Look, if I unplug it, that's acting, the cable is acting like an aerial. Should believe that. Never seen that before. There we go. A tape recorder without a radio, but now it's got one. Brilliant. Let's show the record. Oh, there's the magic eye. Look at that beautiful thing there. Still picking up the radio station, but once it's ground to the tape heads, it should be fine. There we go. Let's see. Is it? No, hang on. No, it's not on record, is it? Right, now it is. Right, there we go. Oh, 1, 2. 1, 2. What's that little crackling? Oh, I think it's the connectors. They haven't been used in years. That's it. Magic eye. You can't beat a magic eye. Look at that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing. Oh, well, I bless a man, so the world's around with me. I met you like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friend said, man, could love is a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh. You see that? So when the two lines of the two green lines meet, that's when you got maximum level. Let's turn it up a bit more. See? So there you go. See? That's maximum level. 1 2 1 2 1 2. So there we go. It all works. Let's put it on PA system now. But I'm going to pick up the radio station. PA's at the bottom. I don't know if I'm straining the power supply. I don't really want to do that because there's no motor connected. 1 2. Oh, nothing now. What's going on? Oh yeah, it's not high enough, is it? Picking up the bloody radio station. I think I'm gonna be sad. I think it's today, yeah. The girl that's driving me mad is going away. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. John Lennon, that's supposed to be. Yeah, that PA works, but I'm picking up radio station. Oh, fuck. Oops. Did I just swear? Yep. I didn't want to do that. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about the swear word there. Because I mustn't do that because it damages the speaker. Well, it can do. God. See, it's hard to do things with one hand with this. I need to get a tripod for this. 1 2 1 2. Hope I don't damage the speaker now. Oh, God. 1 2. 1 2. Yeah. Is it okay still, the speaker? I think I'm gonna be sad. I think it's today. I think it's alright. I hate doing that to a loudspeaker. It can really damage it. The voice coil on it. I'm not sure. 1 2 3. Let's turn the bass up. Oh, that radio station is annoying. That's the treble. 1 2 1 2. Let's try the bass. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 1. I hope I don't damage the damn speaker now doing that. I hate doing that. I really do. It's one of my bugbears. Howling on the speakers. 1 2. No, that seems alright to me. Testing. 1 2 1 2 1 2. No radio station. What the hell? Let's put it on record. Eleanor Rigby. No, that's not record. That's tape. That's record. All the lonely people. There we go. 1 2. So he's picking up the radio station as well. Can you see that? It's on record mode. 1 2 1 2. Right, that's enough for testing. That's working fine. And I caused a howl, which I didn't want to do. I hate doing that. I really hate doing that. I think it should be alright. I think they're made to take a bit of howling sometimes, but 1 2. And that should be on PA. Oh, I'm not getting the radio station then. Have I buggered something up? 1 2 1 2. Radio station's gone. How weird. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Oh well, I bless my soul. Or was it only on the radio input? Oh, I can't remember now. That's weird. Where's that station gone? What the hell? That's strange. That's weird. Station's gone there. How weird is that? Could have been a bit of skip at this time at night. It's 6:25. Not actually. Could be the skip. The signals get very strong on medium wave. Ah, that's weird. Wow. It's gone. How extraordinary. Oh yeah. What's it on there? Alright, let's record. 1 2. Bit of crackling there. I think it's the knob's a bit dirty. Yeah. 1 2 1 2. Still working alright. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah, you won't hear nothing because it's on monitor at the moment on record. Oh, back. Radio station's back. It's fading in and out. Yeah, it's this time at night. It's the skip. That's why you always pick up medium wave radio stations better at night. Have you noticed that? You're just checking the capacitor. That's the filter cap for the power supply. You've got to be careful. Make sure it's not hot. If it's really hot, then it's time to change it. Well, you know what? It's okay. It's picking up a bit of heat from the rectifier valve over there, that one there. So it's getting just slightly warm because of the rectifier, the valve. Now it's fine. It's not getting hot. Let's try the amplifier rectifier, the smoothing cap rather. Cold as ice. It's fine. Yeah, valve's all lit up. That's the EL84. Screened as well. It's got a screening can around it. Now I know why it's got a screening can. It tends to pick up radio stations. 1 and 1 and 1 is 2. 1 and 1 and 1 is 2. Beatles song, that. It's not me. I can count. Come together right now over me. Sounds rude, that, doesn't it? That Beatles song. What the hell? Sorry about this. I swore earlier on. Oh, just I don't like that howling noise. Can't stand it. Do apologise. Oh, radio station again. I think it's an Indian station. Can you hear that? Oh, the phone's interfering with it now. Brilliant. Yeah. This type of equipment is so sensitive. It really is. You know, it picks up even the RF from the phone. Picks up everything. So I think I've done a good job. I think that was a successful job. What do you reckon? I reckon it was. Until I get the tape deck in. Oh, it's even louder there. Oh! I'm not going to swear. Done it again! What the hell? That was a bad one. And too near, you see. Far too near. Hello, is it still working? Yeah. Bloody hell, I hate doing that. God. Well, the amp's working, isn't it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Have I buggered up the speaker? No, probably not. Still okay. But it can cause damage, as I said. I hate doing that. I need to get away, and I've got this damn phone. I want to get one of these tripods and stick it somewhere so I can film. I've got to hold it in my hand while I'm doing 2 other jobs. It's ridiculous. 1, 2, 1, 2. Final test. Final test of the amplifier. Yep, that sounds good to me. Let's turn the bass up. See if that's working. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that sounds better. Treble. I don't want to keep this on for too long without the motor. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's all working. Well, as you heard from the howling, mine just better getting some howling than nothing at all, because at least you know the amp's working. 1, 2, 1, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Before I blow the speaker up, then I got to buy another one of these speakers from somewhere, which are hard to get hold of. These elliptical type. So there we go. I think this was a success. Until I get the tape deck in, then I'll really know for certain. But it all seems good. That's it. That's the hum, because that's not fed into anything at the moment. But that's good. That's a good sign. Yep, no burning. Smell it. Always give a good smell to the circuitry when you go in for a while. Can't beat your nose. No, nothing. Always check for the components, see if there's any smoking going on. You should really plug it into a variac when you're doing all this stuff. I have got one, but too lazy to use it. I can smell the valve burning, sort of old dust. Components are okay. God, that smell of old burning dust. My God. Right, I think I'm going to turn it off now because I don't really want to keep it on. I'm not sure if I should keep it on without the we call it the motor plugged in. Might be causing a drain on the, not a drain, it might be overloading the power supply, because it's giving out a certain voltage to power up the deck in the amplifier. Because I know on the other models you can't do that. You're not supposed to. You can, but you're not supposed to power the unit up without a deck in place, because it's got it's got too less of a load, if you see what I mean. Right, that's it. Turn it off before I blow it up. And so the next test is, well, the next thing I've got to do, I've got to service the deck. And it's got 2 belts. I just hope the belts are okay. That's the only thing that might let it down, is the 2 drive belts. But I'm going to try to clean them up to the best of my ability, because you can't get these belts from anywhere. So, you know, I've got to just do what I can, really. But at least the amplifier's all done, as you heard. Harvey blowing everything up. There we go. It smells of burning dust in here. That's all it smells of, dust burning. So what you do is just do a little, there's that flashlight you say in the States. Now where's my flashlight when I want it? Every single time I want the flashlight, it's never here. Oh my God, sorry about this phone jumping around all over the place. I'm trying to find this. Oh, there it is. Stupid bloody thing. Right. Just, oh, now the batteries are going funny on it. Oh God. Yeah, our new components all alright. There's no smoking. Just dust. I think there's a bit of dust in these valves here. I'm just going to put a brush on it in a minute when it cools down. Stick a brush on the top. Yeah, it's burning dust. Let's check there, touch that. I bet that's hot. Oh, sugar. That is very hot. That valve there. That's the output valve. Whoa, that is hot. That is one hot valve, that one there. It's damn hot. That's the output valve. And it's got some sort of shielding around it. There we go. Yeah, these output valves get very hot, by the way. The EL84s, they get very, very hot. It's normal. Alright, let me just... you're probably finding this so boring. Let me turn the power off first. Even though it's on the isolate. What the hell was that there? The torch. Brilliant. That's it. Drop the torch now. Oh, God. That's right. Solid aluminium, this torch, anyway. No harm done. It's just fell on concrete. That's the only thing. Oh, God. Oh, well. It's rubbish anyway, this torch. I don't really like it. So anyway. Running out of space to put things in this kitchen workshop. Oh, running out of space, seriously. What a nightmare. So if I win the lottery, I'm going to buy myself a huge house with a huge workshop in a huge triple garage. That's what I need. And get out of this place. I gotta get out of this place. Da, 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 da. I've gotta get out of this place. There is a better place for me and you. Right, I'll check the components for heat. That's the valve. That's alright. Just doing a little check around. Finger probe. Cool capacitor. That's brand new. Another brand new one. That's cool as ice. A little yellow one there. Look at the difference in size from the original. I'll show the original. Size difference. Wow. I hate doing that howling business. You know what? You can damage the speaker actually. You can burn out the voice coil inside, the little tiny windings that make up the coil. The voice coil. That's cool. Just hot valves, that's all. Or tubes, as you say in the States. No, it's fine. Right, so next thing is the tape deck. Right, so anyway, this is, as I said, this is the Brenell Freestar. I think it's made in around about 1962. And it's the domestic version of the other machines I've been fixing. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this boring video. Boring myself. But there we go. That's it. Great. Next stage is the tape deck. Anyway, I better go. Catch you all later. I'm going to get a tripod for this damn thing and set it up. Put the phone in the tripod so I can set it in one spot up there or something like that. I can't keep holding things and plugging in things. It just doesn't work. Right, better go. It's 20 minutes nearly now. So anyway, bit of a success now. That was a good rebuild. That's it. Lovely. It's got a lot of power. Right, I'll catch you all later. I'm going to go now and have a cup of tea. I need it. Bye for now. Yep, I'm back again. I thought I'd add this on to the first video I made. This is the actual tape deck. The underside of the tape deck. So there we go. As you can see, it's got two thick rubber belts. There we go. So that's the drive. Yeah, the motor's turning there. Seems to be alright actually. It might be fine. I don't know. Once it runs a bit, it might So wearing, well, it's very worn actually, if you see what I mean. 60 years of wear. 1962 it was made. Counterbelt looks, I'm not sure. Until I power it up, then I'll know for sure. But that's the other belt. They're quite thick belts. God knows where to get these from. I really don't know. But, I don't know. There is one trick you can do. You can cut them and you take off about 1/4 inch and then you super glue it together. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. No, my luck, it won't. I tried it once for the other machine, didn't I? The counterbolt, and it snapped. Oh no, that was the other machine. I'm getting confused with all these machines, you know that. So I've got to change that. That's the motor run capacitor. You need one of these to make this motor run start straight away. So what is it? 2 microfarad. I might as well change it, you know. Look how skinny it is. How do I get my fat ones in there? I don't know. I'll see. I think I better change that, to be honest. Get out of the way. So it's quite a primitive deck. It's not as advanced as the other one. Oh, look at that. Was this made by Garrard? What the hell? Where is it? Garrard. Ooh, just noticed that. My God. Or is it only the parts? This is definitely a Brenell, is it? You know what? I'm getting confused. I think they're using parts for a Garrard turntable. On that. Where is it? There we are. There we go. So the next video you see, you'll see it all working. The head should be fine because it's got the old-fashioned Brenell type, so it should be fine. Now I've got to work out where that earth cable goes when I connect it up. I can't remember where I desoldered it from. Oh dear. Oh, video pictures I should take. Harvey, take videos when you take things apart. Oh, I don't know, never mind. Mind you, I can't, can I? Because I'm always holding onto the damn phone when I'm taking things apart. But anyway, that's the deck, so I'm going to add it onto the other video. So there we go. Looks quite basic. There's the rubber. Oh, there's the rubber wheel. The roller in there. Yeah, still nice and rubbery. Thank God for that. The idler. Yeah, it's fine. Absolutely fine. And that rubs onto the flywheel there. It's quite good condition, actually, to be honest, from 1962. It's in pretty good condition. Oh God, I tell you what, I'm not going to buy another tape machine as long as I live. I'm getting a bit fed up. Oh, am I? Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to convince myself I'm getting fed up. Perhaps not. Alright then, I'm going to add this onto the other bit. Alright then, I'll talk to you all later. Bye for now.